You're welcome to lesson 2 in this section on how to get started with Excel. Once again, I am Amaka Ifebonando, your instructor. In this lesson, we'll be looking at Quick Access Toolbar and its customization. The Quick Access Toolbar is located right above the Excel ribbon. By default, we have just 3 features, which is the Save, Undo, and the Redo. When you click on the arrow beside it, it shows you some of the features you can activate and the ones that are presently activated. As you can see, we have some features that have been checked, which are the ones that are activated: the save, the undo, and the redo. You can also check on any of these features if they are features you use frequently, and it will automatically be added on the Quick Access Toolbar. Here we have limited features, but you can explore more by using the more commands. When I check the new here, you see immediately the new is added. Now let's use the more command to add another feature. I click on the more command, it takes me to the Excel option dialog box and right on the Quick Access Toolbar option. Ensure it is selected. Definitely it will be selected. Then you can now select, just as you can see, we have 4 features on it presently in this order. So I can just look for other features I feel that I use frequently and that will help me in speeding up my work and add those features to the existing one. So I have print preview and print. I'll add this because I use it often, and I'll click add. Immediately you select, you click add, and it's added. And when you're done, you click OK. And you can see the print preview is added to your Quick Access Toolbar. Another thing you need to know is the positioning of the Quick Access Toolbar. As you can see, it's positioned above the ribbon. We can change it to go below the ribbon by clicking on Show Below the Ribbon. When you click on this, immediately it changes its position below the ribbon. So it depends on you, the user, which one helps you to access it quickly. Is it above the ribbon or below the ribbon? It's your decision. So I'll just select and take it back above the ribbon. Right. So that's all you need to know about the Quick Access Toolbar and its customization. You can add more features. Any feature you know you use often and that can help you in speeding up your work on Excel, you're free to add it. That brings us to the end of this lesson, and see you in the next lesson.